Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add someone to a Discord call. Discord allows you to easily add more people to an ongoing voice or video call, making it useful for group discussions, gaming sessions, or team meetings. To add someone to a call, start by opening Discord and going to the server where you want to add someone. Go to a voice channel, and as you can see, the voice has been successfully connected. Now just go to the general section and you will see three different options. From here, select the middle one, which is called Invite to Voice. Click on it and you will see your server members and other mutual server members. Click Invite if you want to invite anyone. In my case, I want to invite this person, so just click on Invite. And as you can see, we have successfully added a person to a Discord call. We learned how to add someone to a Discord call using the invite option in direct messages and server voice channels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial videos.